Ethereum has grown immensely, mainly because it allows people to build new apps, etc. Ethereum, alongside Bitcoin and Dogecoin, is one of those cryptocurrencies that are well known even outside of the crypto community. And it is for a good reason. Ethereum is one of the most feature-rich and interesting blockchains out there. Besides being an incredibly innovative technology, Ethereum is also a great asset. However, people have some reservations regarding its price, especially considering its performance over the first half of 2022. But how will it perform in 2023? In this video, we will attempt to forecast how Ethereum's price may behave in the future. Also watch the full video to know what the industry experts say about the ETH price. Don't miss the end, because I'll tell you is it safe to buy ETH or not. So let's see price prediction of Ethereum in 2023. But before that, welcome back to your own channel, Crypto World, where you'll get all the crypto knowledge. And yes, do remember that this video is not financial advice, so do your own research before investing anywhere. So without any further delay, let's get started. Beginning with Ethereum's price prediction. Ethereum right now is stuck at around $1,300. However, experts say that the price of Ethereum will pump in the long run. It is because NFT dominates Ethereum's market. As much as people did not like the NFTs, there is a ton of potential for growth in them. For example, as more and more people start to adapt their art and turn them into NFTs, the market will see a steady boom in the future. Therefore, as the NFT market rises, the price of Ethereum will also boost because of the hype. Even though cryptocurrency enthusiasts did not respond well to the NFT side of Ethereum, other aspects of Ethereum have the potential to pump in 2023. Therefore, we can say that Ethereum might see a downfall for a few months, but it will rise in 2023. So, experts are giving the benefit of the doubt to Ethereum to monitor its growth for a few months. Apart from assumptions and false facts, let's know what the industry experts believe about Ethereum's rise in price. Joe McCann, angel investor in crypto margin trading. McCann, being a trader himself, is speculating that the price per Ethereum could reach as high as $50,000 per ETH by March 2023. The early Bitcoin investor and angel investor based the theory on an options contract strike price set to expire around that date. Anthony Sassano, Ethereum developer and supporter, the co-founder ETH Hub and founder of the Daily Gwei, says that Ethereum could reach $150,000 by 2023. Simon Dedek, co-founder of BlockFire and managing partner at Moonrock Capital. This venture capitalist and blockchain investor sees a bright, long-term future for Ethereum and estimates the asset could someday be worth as much as $9,000 per ETH token. Michael Van de Poppe, technical analyst and stock trading coach. As part of a wider range of predictions the analyst has made, Ethereum is included with a range of $7,500 to $12,500 per ETH. Talking about the current Ethereum price and the upcoming rise in its price. The current price of Ethereum is $1,329 with a 24-hour trading volume of $9.4 billion. In the previous 24 hours, Ethereum had gained over 2%. CoinMarketCap now ranks number 2, with a live market cap of $162 billion. During the Asian session, ETH or USD opened the day at $1,305.59. It has fluctuated between $1,322.08 and $1,296.43 in a day. On the technical front, Ethereum's immediate support is at $1,244, and it is moving north toward the next resistance area of $1,396. A bullish break of $1,396 could expose the ETH price to $1,446 or $1,501. While the support remains at $1,285 or $1,244. You must be wondering, how long will it take for Ethereum to reach all-time highs? During the last run-up, Ethereum touched over $4,800. The coin has since crashed over 65% and is hovering around $1,200. To see Ethereum at this level again, the most important factor is that the macro environment will need to change. When the Fed is in a tightening cycle, assets tend to suffer. Risk-on assets like crypto suffer the most. Once liquidity is back in the system, however, risk-on assets tend to reverse in a rapid manner. Along with macro conditions changing, Ethereum will need to see improvement in scalability, interoperability, developer activity, number of users, and many other technical aspects that make the blockchain useful. Without the continued improvement of the blockchain, one of the many other Layer 1 blockchains could begin to catch up to Ethereum. Now, our main point. How high can Ethereum go in 2023? After the analysis of the prices of Ethereum in previous years, it is assumed that in 2023, the minimum price of Ethereum will be around $2,062.07. The maximum expected ETH price may be around $2,442.76. On average, the trading price might be $2,135.58 in 2023. Wallet investors' Ethereum price predictions suggest that the ETH token will be around $5,906.10 by 2027, while digital coin price indicates that the token will be at a maximum of $3,440.95 in 2025 as per their ETH price predictions. ETH coin price prediction in next 5 years. Based on the Ethereum forecast, the coin may have a potential high and potential low of $4,475 and $3,851 respectively. The average Ethereum price for the year 2027 is expected to be around $4,163. Coming to the main part of the video, as I promised in the beginning of the video. Is Ethereum a good investment? If you believe in the future of DeFi, then ETH is about as safe a bet as they come. Of course, the macro conditions in the economy are likely to rock the price. Investors need to have a strong stomach, at least in the short term, if looking to purchase any digital assets. Another important question which arises here is now a good time to buy Ethereum? For trading Ethereum over the next 2 to 4 weeks, we are neutral to bearish. That means we expect stable to falling prices. For 2022 to 23 in general, we think recession risks pose a risk to ETH, and so now might not be the best time to buy Ethereum if you have a medium-term outlook. We think Ethereum is a good long-term investment for the next 1 to 3 years and are bullish overall. That means we expect prices to rise in the long term. So this was all for today's video. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you at the next video tomorrow. Until then, peace out.